Hello, welcome everyone. Today we will understand how Azure DevOps work. Microsoft Azure DevOps is a hosted service that will provide development and collaboration tool which was formerly known as Visual Studio Team Services. Now it is renamed as Azure DevOps, and in this it is also a Microsoft product. So in VSTS, when Visual Studio Team Services, Microsoft split 5 separate Azure branded services and under the banner of Azure DevOps for a complete offering in public cloud that makes it easier for developers to adopt portions of the Azure DevOps platform without requiring to go all in one, like the Visual Studio Team Services. So here they have split the services into 5 different branded services, like boards, repos, pipelines, test plans, and artifacts. So what does it mean? Azure board means this is a work tracking system with Kanban boards or dashboards and reporting tools. When we come to Azure pipeline means it is a CI/CD testing and deployment system that can connect to any Git repository. And if we comes to repos means it is a cloud hosted private Git repository services. And it is next is test plans. It is a solution for tests and capturing data about defects. Next is the artifacts. It is a hosting facility for Maven, NPM, and NuGet packages. Each of these Azure services is open and extensible and can be used with all varieties of applications regardless of the framework, platform, or cloud. With all 5 services together, user can take advantages of an integrated suite that provides end-to-end DevOps functionalities. So they have broken into separate components. Azure DevOps gives user the flexibility to just pick which services to employ without the use of the full suite. So if for example with Kubernetes having a standard interface and running the same way on all cloud providers, Azure pipelines can be used for deploying Azure Kubernetes services, or Google Kubernetes Engine, or Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, or clusters from any other cloud service providers without requiring the use of any of the other Azure DevOps components. This is how it will give us the main benefit for team using Azure DevOps. They will be able to work securely from anywhere and any format, embrace open source technology. Azure DevOps addresses the vendor lock-in problem from its early version by providing extensive integration with industry and community tools. So these are all about how an Azure DevOps work. Just an introduction to the Azure DevOps system, how it works. So let us see in detail about each of the tool and services in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.